Thank you, Santosh. Santosh has shown the kinds of efficiencies a transformation program can bring to a typical local government or indeed a state government organization. And you can see how it introduces vastly streamlined business processes, a much better citizen experience, and enables departments to get their own work done, but also hand across and share with other departments when that need arises. So we at ProQuest utilize the world's leading cloud-based service operations platform to achieve these benefits. This slide is obviously highly simplified, but with Salesforce, we've built point solutions for council departments such as domestic animal services and bulky waste pickup and wheelie bin management. And that's fine. We can start at a departmental level. But where our approach really shines is when together we look for reuse. The field service processes we might build for your dog rangers will usually be very similar to the field service processes we should build for motor vehicle impounding or unlawful littering, stormwater drain maintenance, and so on and so on. So wherever possible on this transformation journey, we seek to ensure that common processes can be built once and shared many times, whilst ensuring that each department, whether it's trees, animals, roads, and so on, has the system refined for their specific and special needs. And finally, the diagram also highlights another very important point. Within the local government arena, we commonly see a handful of core applications that are used by a large percentage of councils. You know who those vendors are, vendors like Technology One and Civica, but perhaps also we see an asset management system from the likes of Aesthetic or ArcGIS, which is a standard in geospatial systems from Esri. So we don't seek to replace good systems that have such core functionality. Instead, we look to build reusable integrations to those systems and incorporate them into our end-to-end business process so that your existing investments in applications, it's protected and indeed it's enhanced. So I wanted to wrap up. I might just have this slide up for a little while here, a minute or so. If you'd like to contact us about the kinds of things that we are doing within local government, please feel free to contact me. My details are there. You can scan the QR code, obviously. And we hope you get some benefit out of what we've covered here, but probably more so when we go through the Q&A. I'm more than happy to try to provide further insight to your questions, with answers to your questions. Just introduce Wallandilly Council. It might not be familiar to everybody, particularly if you are outside of New South Wales. But Wallandilly covers a population of about 50,000 citizens. I understand they have about 300 employees, and the area is just to the south side of Sydney. And I will hand over the presentation to Simon, who is the Manager of Customer Information and Technology Service at Wallandilly, and he is going to take you through some of his experiences implementing the Salesforce platform at a smaller council than obviously something such as Transport Canberra and City Services. So I think he'll have some interesting insights for the audience.